Welcome back. Today we are going to do bleaching powder, the preparation of bleaching powder. As we know that we are getting chlorine in the previous, let me show you in the textbook. See, if this diagram is not there, you don't worry. Another diagram would be there. Okay, in this we are getting bleaching powder. Yesterday I told you to do this too also. Okay, bleaching powder. Now we are going for the manufacture of bleaching powder. How we are getting bleaching powder? First of all, let us go for the formula for bleaching powder. It is CaOCl2, calcium, oxygen and chlorine. With this two names are there. One is bleaching powder, the general name which we are using in daily life, and another chemical name is also there. How it is prepared? Chlorine gas is used in the manufacture of bleaching powder. It is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. Slaked lime formula CaOH twice. So reaction is very simple. CaOH twice plus Cl2 gives CaOCl2 plus H2O. This is your bleaching powder. Okay, and the chemical name we can make out calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride. Okay, it's very simple, the preparation. Only you have to remember that slaked lime and chlorine. Slaked lime is CaOH twice plus Cl2 gives you formula CaOCl2 plus water. Now let's go for the uses of bleaching powder. Uses of bleaching powder. Here 5 uses are mentioned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us go clockwise. The first use is in industry, textile industry. Second in paper factories. Third in laundry. Fourth for disinfecting drinking water, and next in chemical industry. Okay, even you can write in any order, but all points should be covered. First in textile industry, that is to bleach cotton and linen clothes. Second in paper factory, to bleach wood pulp. This is recycling of paper type. Whatever papers are going in the paper factory, they are recycling and they are removing the colors, with removing the written things and make it white. So for that purpose it is used. Next one is in laundry, that everybody are using maybe at home, to bleach washed clothes, especially white clothes we are using, mainly we are using for white clothes. Okay, next one is if I come from here to here, then it will be more better. In chemical industry as an oxidizing agent. And last you can write down for disinfecting drinking water to make it germ free. As you know that bleaching powder is used to clean up the water. So these are the 5 uses of bleaching powder. Next is washing soda, kapde dhone ka. Okay, washing soda, and formula is Na2CO3 10H2O. You don't have to speak any this dot or multiply, nothing, only Na2CO3 10H2O. As we know that sodium carbonate can be obtained on heating baking soda, that is the previous part. Okay, on heating baking soda we get sodium carbonate. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate. Recrystallization, again we are converting it into solid form, crystal form. उसको हम crystal form में convert कर रहे हैं. Gives washing soda. तो आपको मिलेगी washing soda. It is also basic salt and the reaction goes like this way. Na2CO3 plus 10H2O gives Na2CO3 10H2O. It's very simple. There is no more reactants. Na2CO3 plus water molecule, 10 water molecules, and Na2CO3 10H2O you are getting. Na2CO3, as we know, it is sodium carbonate, and one more name we can give, soda ash. And this Na2CO3 10H2O, we know it is washing soda, but chemically we can give sodium carbonate decahydrate. Deca means 10. Decahydrate. Okay, now let's move to the uses of washing soda. Uses of washing soda. Okay, this is a scenery for uses of washing soda. First we go for the mountains. In soap, glass, paper industries. Okay, in soap, glass and paper industry. Second, you come here in the manufacture of borax. Borax is a powder. Next, cleaning agent in domestic purpose. कपड़े धोने के लिए यूज होता है, that cleaning agent in domestic purpose. And next, to remove permanent hardness of water. Okay, so let us go for it. In soap, glass, paper industries, in the manufacture of borax, cleaning agent in domestic purpose and to remove permanent hardness of water. तो अगर इसे याद रखेंगे, first mountain, tree, road and outside. You can remember the uses of washing soda. Next is baking soda. The formula is NaHCO3. NaHCO3. This soda commonly used in kitchen for making tasty, crispy pakoras, cakes, khaman, etc. Many are there in which we are using baking soda. Its chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate. From the formula you can make out sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is produced using sodium chloride as one of the raw material. So we are taking sodium chloride as reactant, but here 3 more reactants are there: NaCl, H2O, CO2, NH3. What is NH3? Ammonia. By reacting this we are getting NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. NH4Cl is ammonium chloride and NaHCO3 is baking soda. Afterwards in your textbook they are asking that what was the pH of baking soda when you have done in activity 2.14. Remember it gave us blue color. Blue color means it is a base, basic in nature, and hence it is used in the remedy of acidity. Now let's go for the other uses of baking soda. Uses of baking soda: 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 main uses are there. The first one, for making baking powder. The baking soda and baking powder is different. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and mild acid such as tartaric acid. This baking powder, baking soda plus acid. Which acid? Mild acid, tartaric acid. This we are using in our kitchen, and when it is heated then carbon dioxide, or when it is reacted, carbon dioxide gas is produced, and that reaction is given in your textbook. Second is as ingredient in antacid. During acidity we take the medicines also we are taking, and other liquid is also taking, that contains baking soda as an ingredient in antacid, and that will give you relief from the pain. Third, to make soda acid fire extinguishers. And last, to make several industrial products. Baking soda is also used to make or in the manufacture of many industrial products. So what are the uses? 1, 2, 3, 4. In short, in making baking powder as ingredient in antacid, soda acid fire extinguisher, and to make several industrial products. Baking soda, I will show you. This is a baking soda. This you people are using in your kitchen. Here written cooking soda. Okay, that's all for today.